create a quick epic, say if somebody is onboarding to the company, and you want to put onboarding instructions in here. This could be quite elaborate. I'm yelling here. So, once you save that, you click the sync, and that basically updates the wiki page. If I go to the wiki page, and I've just put a little example wiki together for this. You see that the instructions here is included in the wiki, and that's the way that would work for updating a wiki. You could also drag and drop to reorder or create new subtasks. For example, if I say, there goes that yelling again. I was adding a new page for this called add permissions. I would sync that page, and then we would see refreshing the page that under software install we have admin permissions. Okay, so this would give you, the same thing you would already do. You can, simply add new subpages. You could drag and drop to reorder. You could drag and drop to remove these. Same capability, no big deal. Now, what you can also do similar to is if you wanted to create, you can create an epic from a so what this turns into now a flight data for epic. And once that's validated, you could then select this and create an epic. But if you wanted to also, you could link these items as type. So you could say from under an epic, you can create a feature, and you can create another feature here. And it propagates from the parent, the iteration and area. And then I'll create another feature here, and then it'll populate, and I'll put this as feature 2. And then let's say if we wanted to have this be a task, and you could have, of course, numerous tasks. Now you could also insert, any additional fields you wish to have added to the ticket upon selecting the route. And if all the pre-flight data is okay, you can create the epic in whatever project. So by selecting this project, it's creating the epic, the 2 features, and it's creating the task associated with those. So if we go and we click on, we'll have to authenticate because we're in a debug session. Well, actually, it went ahead and authenticated. So it basically created the epic here. And we go back, we could, link as well. We'd also close, and since this is part of our notification panel, we wanted to see what was created. We wanted to get to those again. We could also go back and click and get to those as well. When those are created, they're going to appear as selected in the work items page. when you're looking at the links of those, and it's a feature that has tasks, it will have those work items in the hierarchy of dependency trees, or in the hierarchy of that ticket. So that's my quick workflow of just the wiki and the work items portion. Next video or next demo will be code as docs and docs as code, basically enabling us to put more use of the MDX editor, Monaco editor. Thank you.